Hi my beauties, today I'm going to show you how you can get ready in just 20 minutes. I know how difficult it gets after we come in the evening from the office and have to attend a party, but we really don't have time for our makeup. So without wasting much time, let's get straight to the tutorial. To tone my face, I'm using Glamaroma Rose Gold Mist. This will also work as a primer as it shrinks the pores and also hydrates your skin. Now to moisturize my skin, I am applying Carrot and Fennel cream from Glamaroma. After moisturizing, I will be priming my skin and I am applying L'Oreal Paris Face Magique and will apply it on all over my face. For foundation, I am using Colorbar Amino Skin Radiant. To know the shade, please check the description box. So using a wet blender, I will apply this foundation on my face. Also, do not forget to cover your hairline, otherwise it looks very unnatural. And yeah, people who are watching my videos for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. To set my foundation, I am using NEWYORK HD Press Powder. And I'll be using BH Cosmetics powder brush, and if you are a beginner in makeup industry, then these are very nice brushes. So for more details, please check the description box. I will be using my Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette to fill my brows. It is not necessary to have all the kits with you. You can also use your palette and can use brown shades to fill your brows. I was not able to find my angular brush, so I used my spoolie brush and fixed my eyebrows. So these are few ideas that you can use when you have no time to find a brush. For eye makeup, I am using Revolution palette. I am applying a light brown shade on my crease area, and this shade will work as a transition color. Every palette has a transition shade which is lightest on this palette. Always choose a transition shade that is almost similar to your skin color. Now using same palette, I am using this beautiful shimmery blue shade and I will swatch it using my finger and apply it on my eyelids. To blend blue eyeshadow using same palette, I am taking darker brown shade and applying it on my crease area. And to blend this, I am using clean blending brush. For my brow bone area, I am going to apply white shimmery eyeshadow using my finger and blend it very nicely. While doing eye makeup, I had little fallout, so to clear this, I am using Garnier micellar water and I am cleaning it with the help of Q-tip. So after cleaning the fallouts, I am using same wet blender which already had little foundation, and to set this foundation I will apply press powder. For contouring, I am using Sivanna Sugar and Spice and contour my cheekbone area, forehead, double chin and also my nose. For blush, I am using same Sivanna Sugar and Spice and I am using pink blush on my temples of my cheeks. And to highlight, I am using the same wet blender and swirl it on my highlighter and applying it on my high points of my face. And for highlighter, I am using W7 Glow for Glory Illuminating Palette. For my waterline, I am using LA Girl Grey Kajal Pencil. Using same Revolution palette, I am going to apply light brown shade under my waterline and will also apply same dark shimmery blue shade that I've applied on my eyelids. To highlight my tear duct area, I'm using same white shimmery eyeshadow that I've applied on my brow bone area, and I'm applying it using a pointed brush. For my lips, I'm using Colorbar lipstick, and for the shade, please check the description box. To set my makeup, I'm using Glamaroma Rose Gold Mist and will finish this look with Tart 4-in-1 Mascara. That's the finished look, and I'm sure this is very easy and quick for a party makeup look.